Below your CTX fill style, you need to create the player's shape by calling the fillRect method. As for the fillRect method, is that all I know is that it creates a rectangle and it will fill any color inside that rectangle with the use of any values that is inputted in the inside the parentheses. So you need to create the player shape by calling the fillRect method on the CTX object which you instantiated earlier. So perhaps it's referring to this inside the constructor. And inside the fillRect method, add the this position x, y, and the width and height values. So since fillRect method is a method from the object CTX, is that we have to use or we have to call the object first to access the method fillRect, just like we did in the fill style. And we have to input the the values for this, but we have these values instead. So rather than x, we have to call the values that is being instantiated earlier inside the constructor. This position. And if we go up, we are actually using these keys or values that has been instantiated from the constructor. And these are they. So that's it. Nice.